Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation on what is a solopreneur and the rise of one-person startups. Today we'll explore how individuals are redefining the startup world without co-founders, big teams or offices. Let's dive in. Startups are no longer just about raising funding or building a big team. In today's digital first world, one person with the right tools and mindset can create a full fledged business. This presentation is about those people, the solopreneurs, and how they are shaping a new kind of entrepreneurship. A solopreneur is someone who starts and runs a business all by themselves. They handle everything from product creation to marketing to customer support. These are freelancers, coaches, content creators, e commerce sellers, anyone who builds and manages a business on their own. Why are we seeing more one person startups now? Because the barriers are lower than ever. You can build a website without coding, sell products globally, and reach thousands with a simple post. The gig economy and creator economy have opened up endless possibilities for solo founders. Solopreneurs thrive today thanks to powerful tools. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it so easy to sell online. Canva and ChatGPT helps with content. Zapier automates repetitive tasks. You don't need a team, just the right tech stack and the willingness to learn. Being a solopreneur has some amazing benefits. You have full control, flexible hours, and minimal startup costs. You can pivot quickly, and you don't need approval from anyone. It's fast, lean, and completely yours. But it's not all easy. Solopreneurs often struggle with burnout since they wear all the hats. It can be lonely without a team, and there are times when you hit a roadblock because you're not an expert in every area. Time management and mental wellness become really supportive and important. Let's look at a few real life solopreneurs. Ali Abdal built a 7-figure business through content and courses. Peter Levels launched multiple successful platforms solo. Sarah Titus built an e commerce empire selling printables. These stories show what's possible as a one person startup. Now, you might be wondering, how is a solopreneur different from a typical entrepreneur? Entrepreneurs usually build teams and seek to scale quickly. Solopreneurs stay lean, manage everything themselves, and scale through systems and tech. Both models are valid, just different paths. So, how do you become a solopreneur? Start by identifying a service or niche you're passionate about. Build a basic online presence. Validate your idea with real customers. Keep it simple. Grow step by step and focus on value and consistency. One person business are booming. In fact, solopreneurs now represent a large share of small businesses in many countries thanks to AI and online platforms. It's easier than ever to scale as one person. It's becoming a movement, not just a trend. The future looks exciting. We're already seeing open person unicorns, people running $1 million businesses online, alone. With smarter AI, automation, and freelancers on demand, the solo founder will only become more powerful. It's truly a revolution in how businesses are built. In closing, solopreneurs are proof that you don't need a team or funding to build something impactful. When the right tools, mindset, and strategy, one person can launch, grow, and scale a business that matters. The future of business is lean, digital, and solo. Thank you.